Hey everybody. So today we're going to be working on webbing. Um let's read the directions. Choose a picture word card to fill in each part of the web. So we're going to be using these words: spring, growing food at home, gardens, seeds, grow food, to answer these questions about our article this week. Let's start with the middle. The middle is our what. What do we read about? What was the name of our article? Was it spring, growing food at home, gardens, seeds, or grow food? The article of our story today, or article this week, is growing food at home. Let's look at this one. What? What are we growing? What are we growing? What are we planting? How's that? What are we planting? Is it spring, gardens, seeds, or grow food? What? We are planting seeds. And so if you look at this picture, it looks like when we were planting our seeds in our classroom, right? We put it in a plastic bag, we put it in some wet paper towels, and it grew, it sprouted. And then we put them into the little pots. Where? Where do people grow food at home? Is it spring, gardens, or grow food? Where? They grow food in their garden. So we have our school garden. It's very big. It has a lot of plants, but I don't believe there's any food there. Let's do our when. When do people usually grow food at home? Is it in the spring or is it grow food? People usually grow food in the springtime. And it is currently the season spring right now, which is the season after winter. So winter is over, and the season before summer, because summer is in a few months. And flowers and plants usually grow well in the springtime because there's rain and sunshine. Last one is why. Why are people planting seeds in the springtime? And we only have one left, and it's because they want to grow food. So let's review. This week we read Growing Food at Home. We read about seeds. People grow food in gardens. They grow food in the springtime. And why do we read about it? We read about growing food at home to learn about how people grow food.